Hi, I'm Guy, and I've worked this week on user-friendly websites. And the last episode, or the summary, I guess you'd say, no, this isn't really a summary. It's just a whole episode. And it has to do with, is the website content readable? Go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. There's a Google document in there. I'm going to reference it in the video that I'm creating, simultaneously, I should say. And the parts of the website content being readable checklist, I guess, if you were, is the font and typography has to do with, is it easy on the eyes? And the second item is contrast. Is there enough contrast between the text and the background? Sometimes you'll see like really hard to read content because the background and the text are almost the same color, right? And are you using short paragraphs? Because if you break up the content, it's easier to read. And bullet points or a numbered list. If you go to the Google document, you'll see I'm using a numbered list. And subheadings, bold text that you divide each section into. And plain language, write it in English, okay? Don't use technoese or something that's really convoluted and hard to understand. That's going to make your website content readable, and it's going to improve your standings with the places that you need to improve your standings. So remember, readability is the key to keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. If they're having a good time reading it, they're going to come back next week and see what you've got new. Okay? So keep it simple, and that's easiest cake way to having more visits to your content. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.